Penetrante, one of the phys ed teachers here at Kenmore East. At any time you need to contact me, I'm available via school email or the 874-8402 phone number and ask for Mrs. Penetrante. Looking forward to a great school year. It may be a little different, but we can do it. Have a great day.
Hi, I'm Mr. Robbins.
Hi, this is Mrs. Ferrugia. If you have any questions about phys ed concerning your son or daughter, you can contact me through email or you can call the school.
Hello, my name is Mr. Badgley. I teach physical education second and third period at Kenmore East, and I'm also the athletic administrator. If you have any questions about your students' classes or athletics, please give me a call at extension 22505.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Idzik, and welcome to Kenmore East Physical Education. Best way to reach me is district email.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Wolf. I'm one of the phys ed teachers at Kenmore East. This is my 5th year teaching at the high school. Previously I taught at Kenmore Middle. I'm very excited to be working with your students this year. I also spend part of my day at Hoover Elementary working with the 1st and 2nd graders there. If you need me, you can reach me by email. It's hwolf@ktufsd.org. Bye!